You're craving a cold coffee, so you tap order and pay 250 rupees. Again, do that a few times a week and it quietly adds up to thousands a month. But here's the secret: cafe cold coffee is really just milk, coffee, sugar, and ice. You can make the exact same thing at home for about 20 rupees a glass. So here are 5 cafe-style cold coffees you can make in minutes, right in your kitchen. Let's start with the classic. Recipe 1, the classic cold coffee. Take 1 cup of cold milk, 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Drop in a few ice cubes. Now froth or blend it for about 30 seconds until it's thick and foamy. Pour it over ice and spoon the foam on top. That's a creamy cafe-style cold coffee for a fraction of the price. Stok sing meeting de ti si singi di ne ni. Recipe 2, smooth cold brew. This one has zero bitterness because it's never heated. Add half a cup of coarse coffee to 2 cups of cold water. Cover it and leave it in the fridge overnight, about 12 hours. In the morning, strain it and pour over ice with a splash of milk. Smooth, strong, and easy on your stomach. Recipe 3, the iced latte. Brew 1 strong shot of coffee from a mocha pot or a spoon of instant in a little hot water. Let it cool for a minute. Fill a tall glass with ice and cold milk. Pour the coffee gently over the top for that cafe-layered look. Give it a stir and sip. Recipe 4, the caramel frappe. In a blender, add 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of coffee, 2 of sugar, and a handful of ice. Blend it until it's thick and slushy. Drizzle caramel inside the glass, then pour the frappe in. Top it with a little more caramel. It tastes just like the one you queue up for. Recipe 5, Vietnamese cold coffee. Spoon 2 tablespoons of condensed milk into the bottom of a glass. Pour 1 strong shot of coffee over it and stir. Add ice and top with a little cold milk. Sweet, bold, and completely different from the rest. So that's 5 cafe-style cold coffees, all from your own kitchen. Classic, cold brew, iced latte, caramel frappe, and Vietnamese. Each one costs around 20 rupees instead of 250. A frother makes the classic, a blender makes the frappe, and a mocha pot makes the latte shot. So, before you tap that order button again, make one yourself. The full recipes and the tools are linked below.